Hi, today we are going to see how to make reels on Instagram. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type Insist. Then search for it. After that, go to this first link. Google Chrome Web Store will open. Then you can add from it. I have already added, so I will open it. Here, this type of interface will come. From here, in the plus button, click on this and you can see the reels on there. Click on the reels. Then you have to upload on a video. I am uploading this. After that, click on next. Then from here you can add music, change cover, or you can use hashtag assistant. You can also share to your feed. I am using this audio. Then I will change cover to this. You can use hashtag. I am just showing you. After that, click on share. Here, when it will be 100%, then your reels will be uploaded. You can see. So here is showing that finishing upload and publishing post and done. So your reels has been uploaded. If you like this video, give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.